Good morning. This is Deepak Ranjan Mahapatra, HOD of Civil Engineering. So we are discussing today shear force bending moment, a problem overhanging beam, and find out its shear force and bending moment. If contractor point of contractor is there, then we are find out. So here is a simply overhanging beam ABC. AB part is the hollow, simply supported part, and BC part is the overhanging part. The beam is loaded with a uniform distributed load of 4.5 kN per meter. There is a two reaction, RA and RB. The distance between the two support is 3 meter and overhanging part is 1 meter. Okay. First, how to calculate? First, calculate the reaction part RA and RB by taking moment at A. Reaction B is equal to find, that is 36 kilonewton. RB is equal to 36 by 3, that is equal to 12 kilonewton. ताले हमें पाई गले RB टा पाई ले, RA टा पाई केमती पाई ले ना टोटल अपवर्ड फोर्स डाउनवर्ड फोर्स इक्वल करिया माइनस कर दवा. सो टोटल फोर्स है 4.5 इनटू 4 मीटर के हमर पूरा पड़ी लोड यूडीएल ताले 4.5 इनटू 4 माइनस 12 दैट इज इक्वल टू 6 किलोमीटर. ताले हमें आरए और आरबी तीटा पाई गले. देन हम तापरे हमर काम होची शियर फोर्स बाहर करिया. तापरे हमर काम करिया शियर फोर्स बाहर करिया. शियर फोर्स हमें ए बी सी तीनटा पॉइंट को हमें अलग अलग दिबा. ओके. फर्स्ट हमें एफ ऑफ ए शियर फोर्स एट आई that is equal to केते लोड पड़छि सेठी अपवर्ड फोर्स हम टेकिंग पॉजिटिव, डाउनवर्ड फोर्स हम लिजियो टेकिंग नेगेटिव. ताले अपवर्ड फोर्स हला आरे केते थिला सी जगह रे एठी थिला हमर 6 किलो न्यूटन आ बी पाखरे हमर थिला 12 किलो न्यूटन. ओके. ताले शियर फोर्स एट ए हमर आसीला सी जगह रे केते फोर्स आसीला 6 किलो न्यूटन. देन तापर हम जिबा शियर फोर्स एट बी को जिबा. बी रे केते लोड अछि शियर फोर्स बी ना अपवर्ड फोर्स अछि केते 6 किलो न्यूटन. दिस इज लोड हला. आउ केते अछि ना 4 टोटल लोड डाउनवर्ड दैट इज नेगेटिव वी आर टेकिंग. सो 4.5 into 3 इज टोटल अछि डाउनवर्ड फोर्स प्लस अपवर्ड बी जगह रे हम केते जाई छी लोड अछि 12 किलो न्यूटन. तो टोटल हे गला हमर एटा 4.5. बी रे हम वैल्यू पाई गेले शियर फोर्स केते वैल्यू पाइले ना 4.5. तापर हम जिबा सी पॉइंट को जिबा लास्ट पे. सी पॉइंट रे हम केते लोड टोटल लोड अछि डाउनवर्ड अछि केते 4.5 into 1 kilo it will be distance to 1, so divide minus 4.5. so हे गला हमके तो जीरो वैल्यू आसी गला. ताले हमर तीनटा वैल्यू पैसा ला करे we are drawing that shear force diagram. okay. shear force हम केते पाइले at point A 6 किलो न्यूटन. हम एटी मार्किंग करले प्लस positive. Line reference line above we are taking as positive, line reference below is equal to negative. So I mean plus value thila it here is so 6 kilo newton later. Similarly B point रे हम value आसी गला केते 4.5 kilo newton. 4.5 positive thila हम एटी देले, but here is RB is 12 kilo newton. So minus वाला हमें 5 वाला एटी हमें 6.5 kilo newton minus देले, and this total value is equal to 12 kilo newton. At the C point is equal to here is 0, and we get from calculation this shear force at C. Okay. Now draw between 2 points there is a UDL. The shear force line is a inclined straight line. So draw that is inclined straight line. Okay. Next, between 2 points there is a UDL. So it is also a inclined straight line. So one thing I find out, there is a point cross. This is positive part and this is negative. The shear force here is 0. We get the maximum bending moment at that point. Whenever we are drawing or we are calculating this point, let me taking as this is M. At that point we get the maximum bending moment. This is the bending shear force diagram. Right here is shear force diagram SMD. So like this is the point where we get 0 value, shear force value is 0. At that point, this is considering, let the distance from the support be x distance. It is get 0 value. तापर हमें तार बेंडिंग मोमेंट बाहर करिया. The whole beam at A, moment at A, bending moment at support is generally 0. Bending moment at support is 0. Next हमें B point को जीवा. B point अब देखिए ना कितने point. This is the B. UDL downwards. That's why we are taking as negative. So 4.5 into 1 into half CG distance, that is 1 by 2. We get minus 2.5. At C which is 0. Then we are drawing the bending moment diagram. Name them. This is A point, B and the C. The value we are putting at A, it is 0. B, we get minus. This is minus. Let the value here is minus 2.25 kilonewton meter, and the C point is 0. Between 2 points, there is a UDL, bending moment height is equal to parabola. So how to calculate? This is the maximum. This line here we get the maximum value, and how to draw this and get. So how much is the maximum? Then we calculate. This is the maximum point value, maximum bending moment value. Then calculate first this value, maximum bending moment. How to calculate? So here is a two triangle. This is geometrical value diagram. This is a two triangle. Both triangles are similar. Okay. Let me first calculate the distance, x distance from the point A to M. By using this, there are two triangles. These two triangles are similar. Let the distance x and the rest part is equal to 3 minus x, because whole length is equal to span is equal to 3 meter. So 3 minus x. So this by this, according to the geometry, is equal to this by this, base by height. So here is calculate, and the value is here is get 1.33 meter. We get this x value is equal to 1.33 meter. We get the maximum bending moment at that point. Then calculating this value, maximum. What is the maximum value of this point? Let me calculate. Okay, here is the point M. We get the maximum bending moment, M point. So calculate here maximum bending moment at M. Bending moment at M is equal to this point 6 kilonewton into distance force into distance 6 kilonewton into 1.33 distance. Then minus 4.5 minus 1.8 load. This load is equal to 4.5 into 1.33 distance into CG distance. So that we get the 4 kilonewton meter. Okay. Then we are marking this. This is the maximum bending moment 4 kilonewton meter. Let it be. Then drawing this bending moment part. This is the parabola. Maximum bending moment. This is parabola. Next value is at a B. This is minus 2.25. We get here is this line or this line or this line. I don't know. So how much distance this line is covered? Let me this line what distance B1 from the support. Let me the point P where bending moment taking as 0. We are taking here the line in this fashion. So from positive to negative, this point is also known as point of control factors. So what is point of control factors? Where the bending moment changes sign from positive to negative. Let me the point P is that point where the bending moment's value is 0. So first calculate what is that point. Let me bending moment at point P is equal to 0. We are calculating and then get the distance. Which distance? That value is 0. Then we are calculating. After calculating that distance is equal to 2.67 distance. So 2.67 distance we get the bending moment is 0. So here is then bending moment line is equal to parabola. Last point is equal to here is bending moment is 0. We get distance between 2 points is UDL. We get the parabola line. So you are doing the positive sign, positive area you are taking as positive above the line, and negative sign we are taking, here is reference line we get from downwards. Okay, plus value and negative value. Here is bending moment diagram. So you confirm. So this is all over your calculation of bending moment diagram, shear force and bending moment diagram पे observing. Thank you.